Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel Quick Guide. Today I'm back with another video to help you guys on how to log in into your Delta employee account. First of all, just go to any default search engine like I already do with Google, and after that go on to the search bar and just type in Delta employee login and hit enter. And after doing so, you will be presented in a new screen with different results. Click on the first result that pops up. Now, after clicking on the first result, you will be taken with a new interface. And as you can see, you need to put your Delta login or PPR and password in order to sign into your employee account. So, just put in your correct Delta PPR or log in and correct password and hit on sign in. If you are having any trouble signing in like incorrect passport or incorrect PPR, click on this button trouble signing in and you will be redirected to a different screen where you can reset your passport or your PPR. Now, after entering your correct login and password, just click on sign in and you will be signed in into your Delta employee account. So guys, this was for this video. If you find our video helpful, be sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell notification. Drop comments for reviews and more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.